friends. Welcome to day 2 or part 2 of Pam's Ham. Make sure you watch part 1 of this story first and then watch this video, part 2. We're going to begin by reviewing the sight words you learned in part 1 of Pam's Ham. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. I'll point to a word and you need to say it before I do. Ready? Say the word. Of. Say the word. She. Say the word. Some. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Was. Say the word. For. Say the word. Went. And say the last word. The. How did you do at your sight words? Were you able to say most of the words? Now we're going to review decodable words, or CVC words. For this part, we're going to say the sounds and then blend them together and do it kind of quickly, because we're working on our fluency. Fluency is reading the words at a good speed and correctly. Ready? Let's say the sounds. S, un, sun. Say them with me. P, in, pin, t, ub, tub, d, og, dog, p, at, pat. All right, ready? Here we go. D, n, den, h, og, hog, p, n, pen, f, ad, fad, b, id, bid. And last one. K, ub, cub, w, egg, wag, ox, ox, t, up, top, g, gum. This word ox only had 2 sounds. Did you notice that? Way to go, friends. Now that we've practiced sight words and CVC words, decodable words, we are going to read our story, which has both CVC words and sight words. Let's read the story together. Say the words out loud with me. Here we go. Pam's ham. Keep reading the story with me. Pam had a ham. She will get some jam for the ham. Pam got the jam. The jam will go on the ham. Bam! The ham fell. Pam was sad. She had to get rid of the ham. Pam went in the cab. She will get a ham. Cab is another word for taxi. She got a ham. It is a big ham. And there's the ham, a piece of meat to eat. Pam was glad. She had ham and jam. Now we're going to go back and read the story, but this time we're going to do duet reading. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in blue. So on this page, I would say Pam's, and you would say ham. Let's try it. Pam's. Great work. Keep saying all of the words in blue throughout the whole story. Ready? Here we go. Pam. A. She. Get. Jam. The. Pam. The. will, on, ham. Keep reading those words in blue. Bam, ham, Pam, sad, had, get, of, ham. Pam, in, cab. Will, a, she, a, it, a, ham. Pam, glad, had. And how did it go with you reading all of the words in blue? Did you try your very best? Nice job, friends. Now we're going to do some comprehension work. Comprehension is making sure we understand what we read. Let's read this question and then answer it together. Ready, read. What did Pam have? Say your answer out loud. All right, let's see if you knew it. On page 1, it says Pam had a ham. All right, second comprehension question. Let's read it together. How did Pam feel when the ham fell? Say your answer out loud. Let's take a look. Bam! The ham fell. Pam was sad. How did you do at answering the comprehension questions? Did you understand the story and remember about it? Awesome job working hard, friends. It is now time to take out your paper. It will look a little bit like this. You're going to have some writing time now, so you need to also get out your pencil. We're going to start by writing some CVC words. So on the first line here, we are going to write the word big. Say the sounds in big. Write one letter for each sound that you hear. Big. Big. Remember, CVC words have a vowel in the middle. All right, let's check out the word big. In big, I hear 3 sounds. B is a B, I is an I, and G is a G. Give yourself a check mark if you got it. Otherwise, if you didn't, make yours look like mine. Check that your B has a line and then a circle. B, bat. Okay, pause the video if you need more time. We're going to go on to the second CVC word. So on your second line, you're going to write the word had. I had a ball. Had. Say the sounds in had and write one letter for each sound you hear in had. 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 All right, pause the video if you need more time. Let's take a look at the word had. This is the word had. Is an H, a is an A, and d is D. Check that your D has a circle first and then a line. D, dog. If you have it written correctly, you may put a check mark here. If not, you're going to pause the video and make yours look like mine. Letters that H and D that go up to the top and A that goes to the middle line. All right, on our last line, you're going to write the word cab. Say the sounds in cab and write one letter for each sound that you hear. Cab. took a cab or a taxi to the airport. Cab. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's take a look at the word cab. The word cab has 3 letters. K is a C, A is an A, and B is a B. Give a check mark if you got it. If you didn't, make yours look like mine. Make sure B has a line first, and then a circle for bat. All right, pause the video if you need more time to make your cab look like mine. We are going to go on to the sentence part now. So you see you have a star, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Our sentence has 4 words. The words are, she got the ham, just like in our story. She got the ham. The first words are she got. Let's write the word she on the first line. Check if you have an uppercase letter for the first letter of our sentence. She. She. We hear a heart sound at the beginning of she. She got. You can sound out the word got and write a letter for each sound you hear. She got. Write the word got on the second line. Got. She got. Check your handwriting. See if you're doing your very best handwriting and going right in the lines where you're supposed to be. She got the ham. Our last 2 words are the ham. Write the word the on the third line. It has some heart sounds. The. And write the word ham on the last line. This is a CVC word you can sound out. Ham. Say the word and write a letter for each word. Ham. She got the ham. Our last word is the word ham. And at the end we put an N mark. A period, an exclamation, or a question mark. She got the ham. If you don't have this written now, you're going to pause the video because we're going to go on. All right, let's take a look at the words in our sentence. We'll start with the first one. She. She is a heart word because the first sound is sh, and it's made with an SH. The E is made with the letter E. Sh, E. Check that yours looks like mine with a capital or uppercase S. When it does, give yourself a check mark. Otherwise, make yours look like mine now. Remember, you do not write the hearts or the underlines, just the words. She got. I hear 3 sounds in got. G is a G, A is O, and T is T. Got. Put a check mark on top if you got it. If not, make yours look like mine now. Check that your G is formed just like mine with the tail going down. She got the. The is a heart word. The TH says that's a heart sound, and the E says E doesn't usually say but it does here. So we have to make sure we write it correctly. The. Once you have it, give yourself a check mark. She got the ham. Is an H. A is an A. And is an M. Ham. Put a check mark when you have it. Period goes at the end. Make sure you have that. She got the ham. Great work today. Every time you do hard work and read and write, you're getting better as a reader. Pause the video now if you need more time to correct your sentence. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Great work, friends!